This crucial household skill is rapidly disappearing. Experts predict it might be gone by 2030. Remember a time when everyone fixed things themselves? A cultural shift slowly eroded these practical abilities. We're talking about the art of home repair. Generations once learned simple fixes from parents. Today, we often replace instead of mend items. This change has deep historical and economic roots. Post-World War Roman II, a make do and mend ethos thrived. Resourcefulness was a necessity, not just a hobby. Families repaired their appliances, furniture, and clothing. Popular magazines offered countless DIY repair guides. Local hardware stores were vital community knowledge hubs. Many people took immense pride in their self-sufficiency. Learning basic repairs was part of growing up. Vocational schools often taught essential practical trade skills. This practical knowledge saved families significant money. Regularly repairing items extended product lifespans considerably. It was a cornerstone of household independence. Then a new concept emerged: planned obsolescence. Bernard London first proposed it in 1932. He suggested designing products for limited lifespans. This controversial idea aimed to stimulate continuous consumption. Post-war prosperity quickly embraced this new economic model. Manufacturers like General Motors adopted this strategy. They designed cars with yearly style changes. Electronics followed suit, becoming harder to fix. Internal components were often glued, not screwed together. Detailed repair manuals vanished from most product packaging. The right to repair movement fights this trend now. Much cheaper mass-produced goods soon flooded the market. Item became more this. The cost of professional repair often exceeded replacement. Item became more this stark economic reality quickly shaped consumer behavior. Many parents stopped passing down essential repair knowledge. Public schools reduced hands-on shop classes significantly. The stigma of doing it yourself sometimes appeared. Online tutorials offer some hope, but aren't universal. Many lack the basic tools or confidence to start. Our reliance on quick fixes deepens steadily. This cultural shift impacts our wallets and waste. The decline of DIY repair culture is real.
Reclaiming these skills empowers us and saves resources.
Let's revive the spirit of make, do, and mend. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.